Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to do the slot number 3, class 1. Subjects are social studies, science and English. Social studies, lesson number 3, my school. Reading book page number 12 and 13 and workbook page numbers are 11 and 13. Number 3, my school. This is page number 12. This is my school. This is an Islamic school. I come here for learning. Every student wears uniform. This is the gate of my school. I say Assalamu alaikum to all when I enter in the school. Number 13. This is the ground. I play here. This is my classroom. I study here. This is my teacher. She teaches us different subjects like mathematics, English, Urdu, etc. ETC means etc. This is library. I read books here. I like my school very much. Page number 11, my school. The first question is the fill in the blanks. My school has dash office in the front. Principal's office. Second, there are dash classrooms in my school. 40. It has dash staff room. 2 staff rooms. It has dash library. I love to study different books there. 1 library. There are dash swings in the ground of my school. 2 swings. It has dash canteen, 4 canteens. I buy eatable from there during my lunchtime. I have dash students in my school, 23 class. Sorry, I have dash students in my classroom, 23 students. What else do you have in your school? Swings. Page number 12, question number 1. Choose the correct answers according to the content of lesson. When I enter the school, I say dash. Options are Jazakallah, Assalamu alaikum, and Allah Hafiz. And the correct option is B, Assalamu alaikum. Second is students play in dash. Classroom. Second option is library. Third is ground. And the right option is ground. Second question is match the following persons with their responsibilities at school. We have to match the pictures with the statements. Principal, we will match with the third statement. Supervise all the teachers and students. Second, teacher, we will match the third option. Teach you at school. Third is admin officer, we will match with the first option. Fourth, security guard, we will match with the second option. Keeps the school safe. Page number 13, question number 1. How do you come to school? आप स्कूल कैसे आते हैं? अगर आप कार के थ्रू आते हैं तो आप लिखेंगे बाय कार. अगर बाइक से आते हैं बाइक बाइक. और अगर बस के थ्रू आते हैं तो बाय बस या रिक्शा तो बाय रिक्शा. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई डू यू कम टू स्कूल? आप स्कूल क्यों आते हैं? टू गेट एजुकेशन, एजुकेशन हासिल करने के लिए. Science unit number 4, plants. Reading book page number 26 to 28 and workbook page number 21 to 22. Page number 26, unit number 4, plants. Now we will start the reading, living and non-living things. The world is full of things. Some are living things. Living things बोलते हैं जानदार चीजों को. And some are non-living things. और कुछ बेजान चीजें. We can group things according to whether they are living or non-living. Animals and plants are living things. You are a living thing too. आप भी living thing है ना? Living thing breathe, move, eat, grow and have young ones. Many things in the world are not alive. सब चीजें इस दुनिया में alive नहीं होती हैं. Living things नहीं होती हैं. We say they are non-living things. They can't move, they can't grow, they can't breathe and they do not eat. They do not have young ones. 27. Plants are living things. To grow well, plants need good soil, sunlight, air and water. There are many kinds of plants. Plants are of many shapes and sizes. Climbers climb up walls and other structures. Some are tall. Creepers grow along the ground. Some plants grow in water. Page number 28. Plants give us food. Some fruits and vegetables from different plants are eaten by humans and animals. We also use plants to provide shade and shelter. Page number 21, unit number 4, plants. First question is choose the correct answer. Which of these is not a part of a plant? And options are flowers, leaf, root, soil. And the correct option is soil. D option. Number 2, what is the name for a plant that grows along the ground? Options are creeper, peeper, climber, cactus. And the right option is creeper. Number 3, what is the name for a plant that can grow up a wall? Options are creeper, peeper, climber and cactus. The right option is climber. Fourth is which of these is not a fruit? Options are mango, banana, potato, papaya and the right option is potato because potato is vegetable. Fifth question is which of these vegetable is the leaf of a plant? Options are spinach, carrot, pepper, potato and the right option is spinach. Second question is mark these statements with right tick or cross. All plants grow to the same size, cross. Second is only some plants die, cross. Because all plants die. सब plants मरते हैं ना, जो living things हैं उन्होंने मरना ही मरना है, हर चीज ने फना होना है, इसलिए इसको cross करेंगे. Third is plants are living things. Yes, plants are living things. Fourth is plants only need water to grow. Cross. बाकी चीजों की भी जरूरत होती है ना, सिर्फ water के साथ तो नहीं ना जिंदा रह सकते. Last is trees can provide shade. Yes, true. Page number 22. Label the parts of tree. आपके पास एक tree की picture draw हुई है, उसके ऊपर आपने labeling करनी है. In the left you will write fruit and downside you will write branches. In the right side upper portion you will write leaves and the next you will write trunk and the lower portion you will write roots. English unit number 1, Free in the Forest, reading book page number 20 to 21 and workbook page number 11, 16 and in grammar portion it will be 33, 34, 62, 63, 73 and 74. Page number 20, Free in Forest. First of all, we are going to read the story. Juby is a baby elephant. Juby is the baby elephant, lives in the forest. One day he falls into a pit. Pit means a hole. Some men find Juby. They put him in a cage. Page number 21. Bhola and Bano. They are two children. They live in a village. Okay. Bhola and Bano live in the village. They see Juby in the cage. Juby looks very sad. Why he was sad? Because Juby was in the cage. Bhola and Bano go to the cage. They open the gate because he was not feeling well, na? He was sad. So they started to open the gate and they opened the big gate of the cage. Juby walks out of the cage. He is free. He goes back to the forest. He is very happy. Bhola and Bano are also very happy too. 11. Free in the Forest. Unit number 1. First of all, we have word wall. The first word is cage, C-A-G-E, cage. Second word is elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T-S. Third is forest, F-O-R-E-S-T. The next is gate, G-A-T-E, gate. Village, V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Falls, F-A-L-L-S. The last word is pit, P-I-T, pit. The next question is write words that end with it, it. For example, sit. We have to write pit, P-I-T, pit, and kit, K-I-T, kit. The next question is write the sentence using one of the words that end with it. And the sentence is sit on the chair. Number 12. Match the words with exact pictures. You have to match the words with exact pictures. We have here the first word is elephant. We have to match with the third option, elephant. We have picture in the right side. The second word is cage, and we have to match with fourth picture. The next word is forest, and we have to match it with the last picture. Fourth is pit, and we have to match it with the second picture. And the last is village. We will match with the first picture. Page number 13. Add the word part to make a spelling word. Write the spelling word on the line. First word is forest. हमारे पास मौजूद है FOR, सेंटर में प्लस का साइन है और EST है. आपने प्लस के साइन को हटा देना है और आपने कंप्लीट आंसर उसका इस तरह से लिखेंगे, स्पेलिंग्स लिखेंगे FOREST, फॉरेस्ट. ओके. द सेकेंड वर्ड इज ओपन. ओ के बाद प्लस का साइन आता है और PEN आता है. आपने कंप्लीट स्पेलिंग्स लिखने हैं OPEN. थर्ड इज विलेज, VIL और फिर प्लस का साइन है LAGE. आपने इनको कंबाइन कर देना है VILLAGE, विलेज. HAP plus PY, and you have to write in complete spellings HAPPY, happy. You can see on the screen. EL plus E plus PHANT, and you have to write the complete spellings ELEPHANT, no plus sign. Okay. The next, make the sentences. Baby. Make the sentence of baby. Baby is weeping. The second word is cage, and make the sentence of cage. Parrot is in the cage. Third word is gate, and make the sentence open the main gate. Page number 14. Answer the questions. Name the characters of the story. We have three characters in the story: Jubi, Bano, and Bhola. Second question is, who is Jubi? You know who is Jubi? Jubi is the baby elephant. Third, why is Jubi sad? Because the men put the Jubi in the cage, therefore he looks sad. Fourth question is, what would happen if Bhola and Bano do not let the Jubi free? क्या होता अगर भोला और बानो उसको ना आजाद करते तो? उसका आंसर है he will become sad. वो sad ही रहता ना. Number 15. Can you label an elephant? You have words here. आपके पास मौजूद हैं उसके parts of body के name. आपने उसको अच्छे तरीके से labeling करनी है. In the left side, we have tail of an elephant. In upper side, we have to write ears. In right side, on upper portion, you have to write eye. Second is tusks. In the lower portion, first right is trunk and left side is foot. Page number 16, we have homework page here, and we have the pictures. You have to write the name of this picture. Complete the story by adding the missing words from the helping box in the places of the picture. First, the picture of Juby. Juby, the baby elephant, lives in the forest. One day, he falls into the pit. Some men find Juby. They put him in a cage. Now, there is the picture of Bhola and Bano. Bhola and Bano live in the village. They see Juby. In the cage, Juby looks very sad. Bhola and Bano go to the cage. They open the big gate. Now again we have the picture of Juby. Juby walks out of the cage. He is free. He goes back to the forest. He is very happy. Now again we have the picture of Bhola and Bano. Bhola and Bano are very happy too. Page number 33, the grammar portion, noun. You know, beta, what is the meaning of noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animal, like table, chair, loin, alley, etc. Now you have to label on this picture. Look at the picture, write the nouns in the box. In the left side, you will write first branch and second, the name of the man is Arif. In the right side, we have a monkey and you have to write the monkey. And the second is frisbee. In the next question, in this picture, the person is Arif. In this picture, thing is, what is the name of thing? Frisbee. In this picture, animal is monkey. Can you guess it? Can you guess the place in this picture? Forest. Page number 22. Label the parts of tree. आपके पास एक ट्री की पिक्चर ड्रॉ हुई है, उसके ऊपर आपने लेबलिंग करनी है. In the left you will write fruit and downside you will write branches. In the right side upper portion you will write leaves and the next you will write trunk and the lower portion you will write roots. Page number 73, the comprehension part. Parts of book. We have mentioned here, dash is the title of the book shown above. Broadway. Number 2, we have to fill in the blanks, okay? Number 2, this book was written by Shimala. Shimala is the writer of the book. Number 3, the lessons of this book are shown in the dash table of contents. Number 4, the lesson called dash can be found on page number 38. Her garden, his field. Number 5. There are dash lessons in this book. 6 lessons. If I want to learn about red car, what page would I turn to? Page number 27. Which is the first topic which is the first topic listed in the book? Free in the forest. 74. Look at the picture and describe in sentences. Write nouns. Girl, cat, fish. Use nouns in sentences. First word is cat. I love my cat. Second word is fish. Fish is in the water. Do you like this title? Yes, I like this title. Page number 62, writing portion. All about me. First of all, you have to write your name in the left side and write the age of in the right side. In the left side, we will start my appearance. Hair color is black. Colors of eyes brown. Color of skin is fair. Second box, my favorite. Sport, football. But whatever you can write. Your favorite sport. Food, pizza. Subject, maths. Animal, cat. You can write with about your choice. Qualities, helpful, honest and caring. In the right side, you have to paste your picture, and in the next box, my favorite, clothes, frock, pant shirt, whatever you want. Toy, doll or car, color, blue, whatever you want. In the third box, I don't like lies, selfish and theft. Number 63, all about me. You have to write about yourself. My name is, whatever your name is. The second is, I am a boy or girl. You have to mention here. I am 6 years old, 7 years old. What is the age of yourself? I like to eat pizza. I like black color. I read in one class. I have one sister. Or what? How many sisters you can mention here? And how many brothers you will mention here? I have one sister and one brother. You have two sisters, two brothers. You can mention here. I live in Lahore. I am Muslim. I am Pakistani.